Hi everyone, this video will show you how to use scene monitoring, data callback. First, two custom POI points were made through the interaction module in the scene. The POI 0 and POI 1 can be found in the interaction outline. Enter the panel. Wish to view the parking lots 1 and 2 by clicking the two POI points. Enter the layer to hide the two charts. Only display when clicking on the POI point. Click the blueprint. The trigger point for the process is the overlay in the scene. Therefore, what needs to be dragged in is the scene monitoring node. Select the custom POI related event for the type. Since there are 2 points that show the status of parking lots 1 and 2 respectively, a custom branch is needed. Choose to connect the custom branch when clicking. The 2 downstream points trigger the combination of 2 element nodes. Fill in the ID of the 2 POI in the custom branch value section. The ID of the overlay in the interaction can be viewed by dragging in the interaction node and looking at the right side parameter information. Then copy the ID value of the point to the custom branch value section. After the ID is pasted, the unused nodes can be deleted. One thing to note is that the custom branch value we get is the point ID. Therefore, on this connection, the field obtained from the upstream needs to be changed to args.id. Operation completed. Preview the effect. Click the custom POI point, and the information of parking lots 1 and 2 is switched between show and hide mode. That is all for this video. Please check other videos to learn more.